So here we are, second loop of King of the Motos. Cody, Webb, and Jarvis have really distanced themselves from everyone. They're just started up this canyon on the second loop. I'm going to try to shoot some real long shot video here. I don't know if this is going to work out very well. Cody came into the pits first, but we got a real good pit on Graham and got him out in front of Cody. But I can see him down there. They're pretty much running almost nose to tail, not quite. Unfortunately, I get so much, I can't really see in the frame well shooting like this. Behind them, we've got Corey Gerfunder, Taylor Robert, Destry Abbott, Jake Augerbright, all doing real well. Here comes Graham into the shot. Go Graham. He looked pretty relaxed when he came through the pit. There comes Cody right behind him. I don't know, these two have been close all day. Cody's been leading, so this is really Graham's first time in the front. And we'll see how he does with the lead. I don't know if he's just pacing himself. Like I say, he looked pretty relaxed. So, see if he tries to gap Cody a little bit here. Cody's got his brand new 2-stroke beta, and I think he's really excited about that. I don't know, at the moment I gotta say Cody's looking pretty fresh. Yeah, there you go. So try to keep up with these boys and see how they do.